Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send money with Wise. It's really easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just go to your Wise account, and once you're here you will get this option of send. Now here make sure you select your currency, and here once you just go and click on send here, automatically it will ask you to add the amount. So here it will just give you the information you send exactly. So here just write whichever currency you are from, in which country, right? For example, if you're United States, so make sure you select here USD, and the recipient gets, for example, you're sending to some Indian, then make sure you enter it here or that country currency. Now here you will get this option of paying with connected bank account, so you can just change your account. For example, if you're using a wallet and now you want to send it with some bank account, so make sure you add your bank account. It will show here the fees and everything, and should arrive in seconds. So yeah, Wise is pretty fast. It can help you to transfer money in just few seconds, and then you can just go and click on continue now. And once you go and click on continue, so Wise just need email. So for example, I want to send someone through email address. If that person is not giving you the email address of Wise, just go and select on add a recipient, and here you will get this option of search UPI and Wise. Otherwise enter bank account. So here just enter your bank account. You can just add here someone else, right? And just fill up all this information. Now just go and click on continue. Right, so I have already added this option. For example, I want to send it to this person, so I will just select this person here. Now it will ask me to send a switch to your smartphone, because it just take a you have to verify your account. You have to give a full proof that without before sending your money, right? So make sure you just verify this, and after that you will able to pay. So verification is just for the first time when you're using it for the first time, so it only happens for the once, and next time whenever you're sending money, it will happen instantly. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.